Hi, I'm Justin Labato.
And I'm Sydney Gwynn, and we are with Buff & Shine Manufacturing.
Today we're introducing Buff & Shine's revolutionary Edgeguard pad kit.
Yeah, Justin, so let's tell them about the different features and benefits.
This, first and foremost, is a heat thermo-sealed ring that's been put on the back end of this pad, which is completely unique to any other pad in the industry. And that's what makes this pad so technologically advanced. And one of the best things I love about it is how easy you could just center that pad on. It dead centers it, balances it, and you're ready to go.
Absolutely. The other great thing about that ring being on there is it provides a lot of edge protection from your backing plate. So it's going to provide that protection when working around things like the door handles.
Because of this edge protection, it actually offers additional surface area and surface area protection as well. You could use actually the tip of this pad itself. It really gets you into areas that normally you couldn't get into.
And just like all Buff & Shine Eurotech pads, they're an open cell technology which allows the pad to breathe and run cooler.
Because this allows you to run them on multiple types of machines.
Right.
Whether it be a rotary, gear driven, long throw, or standard DA. One of the things I personally like is the easy peel, where you're able to just be able to pull this pad right off.
Yeah.
And it doesn't get the pad all warped like most pads would.
Yeah.
With this ring on here being thermally sealed and reinforced, not only does it allow for you to be able to get that pad off, but it really almost eliminates the whole delamination issue.
So now that we've talked about the features and benefits of the Edgeguard pad, let's talk about what's in the kit.
So we've handpicked 4 of our most popular Eurotech foams, starting with the maroon foam pad, which is a medium cut pad. This is great for those that don't want to get into super heavy cutting and maybe some light defect removal. This pad is coarse enough to still be able to perfectly level the paint and come back and follow up, of course, with our yellow and or our blue.
And then we've got the blue, which is a heavy polish. So this is going to be a great pad for like the one-step corrections.
Correct. And then from there, when you're wanting to get that fine-tuned polish, then you move into our yellow foam pad.
And then we have our black foam pad, which is going to be the final finishing pad for like multi-level corrections. And it's also great for applying traditional waxes and sealants.
That's right, and that will help finalize the whole kit for you being able to get pretty much your hands on everything you need for different levels of paint correction, whether it be one step or multiple step.
And what's great is on the packaging, it shows you exactly what's included in the kit and what each pad is used for.
And I love the fact that it keeps it simple in regards to a color coordination, and of course from least aggressive to most aggressive, so it just allows you to understand exactly what you have your hands on.
I hope you guys found this information on the Edgeguard pads very useful.
And stay tuned right here for more Buff & Shine information.